This is the CareTouch Pre-Moisten Lens and Screen Cleaning Wipes. It's great for eyeglasses, tablets, cameras, lenses, screens, and keyboards too. Let me show you how they work. The CareTouch Eyeglass Wipes has a high-tech formula to clean effectively and leaving no streaks or residue behind. These lens wipes clean everything from your eyeglasses, your phone screen, tablets, even your camera too. Thank you, CareTouch, for sending these to me for evaluation purposes and for me to give my opinion. These lens wipes are gentle and effective too. These lens cleaning wipes are suitable for all types of glass, even safe for coated lenses too. Let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. These are made of soft, gentle material and large enough to clean your tablets as well as your computer screen too. Perfect. I even have enough moisture that I can still clean my cell phone screen too. These lens wipes are made of 39.5% isopropyl alcohol, which is milder and safer to use on so many glass surfaces. Perfect. Now let's try my camera as well as my glasses too. Much better. Now let's try my camera lens. No streaks here. The best thing, it has a compact design. Perfect to put several in your backpack or in your purse or if you're on the go. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.